When optimizing Python Asyncio code, the choice of AI assistant can significantly impact both performance and readability. In a head-to-head test, Gemini and Claude were given the same task: refactor a batch download script using Asyncio with proper error handling and rate limiting. Gemini produced a solution using Asyncio, semaphore and gather with return_exceptions, focusing on throughput. Claude's output emphasized structured error recovery with a custom retry decorator and explicit task management via Asyncio.taskgroup. Both models generated working code, but the key difference lay in their defaults. Gemini favored concise, high-performance patterns, while Claude leaned toward defensive, maintainable structures. For teams prioritizing speed, Gemini's approach may be preferable. For those needing robust fault tolerance in production, Claude's design offers more guardrails. The takeaway: the best model depends on whether your project values raw throughput or long-term reliability.